gals, me Marty. Oh, welcome to another video. Quick little one here just to show you something. A little smile. And to give you a little bit of encouragement. Pretty cool, huh? A little smile made, handcrafted by hand on the scroll saw. Yeah, it's cold in here. Okay, so it is Saturday morning. Is it Saturday morning? Yes, it's Saturday morning, December 14th, 2024. I am home. Having a little bit of time in the shop this morning. I'm going to talk fast to make this a short video. And because I'm cold, so I can go turn the heater back on or go in the house and warm up. We'll see. And get some coffee. Anyway. And I got home yesterday evening from my run out to California and back. And I'm only home till tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning is Sunday. I need to go to Eastern Wisconsin and deliver the cheese I brought from California. But I just came home for part of the weekend. And then I'll be out for a few days this week. And then I should get home Thursday. And I'll probably be home for 10 days over Christmas. So be with my family and just have some relaxing time over the Christmas season. So I decided to come out this morning quick and do a little video here and just show you the smiles that I make. Okay? And encourage you to smile. To take time to smile. To take time to laugh. Life is hard, but take time to smile. Take time to laugh. Find reasons for joy. Find your reason for joy. And then share it with others too. And be creative. And maybe take up a new hobby of woodworking, scroll sawing, and also be creative and make your own patterns, your own design, your own artwork. I had somebody told me the other day that my woodworking is artwork. And I don't really look at it as that. It's just small things I make, and I've been woodworking for over 30 years. I still consider myself an amateur. I'm just learning. I like carving and scroll sawing and making little things. And I don't really think that it's artwork. It's not that great. I could do better. Wish I had better tools, or I could learn better skills and stuff. But I enjoy it, and it is what it is. It's my special creations. And I guess in a way it is artwork. And anyway, I enjoy scroll sawing. And I really like making small things, and I like making word art. You all know that. My Jesus words, my joys, my hugs, my teachers, truckers, Noel and joy, and the smiles, and just different little word art, and expressing my feelings and my thoughts and my life through woodworking and just little word art. And you can spell anything. Anything you can write, you can cut on the scroll saw, and you can see that here. I wanted to show you this pattern here and just talk about it a little bit. So there are millions of scroll saw patterns out there. Well, first of all, I encourage you, if, let's say maybe you're retired, maybe you just need something to do, maybe you need a new hobby, a way to express your creative juices, your creative side of you. I believe God created us all, and he created us to be creative, and it's fun to create and make things. And I just enjoy doing that. And maybe you're there too. Maybe you're old, maybe you're young, and you need a new hobby. Give woodworking a try. Give scroll sawing a try. It's a great way to get into woodworking. It's how I got into woodworking, and I've done other things through the years, but it's still my favorite thing. Everything in my shop revolves around my scroll saw. It's my main tool. It's fun. It's safe. You can get into it really cheap, You can get used scroll saws that are really, really well. I love the older Deltas. Yeah, you can get a budget one or expensive one, whatever, and you can use little pieces of wood to make beautiful works of art. And again, there's millions of patterns out there. You can download free ones. But here's the thing, make up your own. I encourage you to make up your own patterns too, okay? And I just want to show you this one. And I woke up this morning, and I was going to actually sleep in because I never get to sleep in, but I'm actually running uptown to get a little router table. That's like $20 I seen on Facebook Marketplace. Then I'm going to grab some stuff to make chili, because I'm going to make a pot of chili today. My son and his wife and 2 boys, my grandkids, are visiting. Well, they're here from Phoenix, Arizona. They moved up here, and they're actually staying with us for a month or two, and then they're gonna get jobs here and get a house and stuff. So it'll be wonderful, and it's wonderful to have them here for Christmas. So I'm gonna make a pot of chili today. Anyway, sorry to ramble, go off on all the other things, but I wanted to show you this. Okay, I woke up this morning. I thought I want to make a little video this morning instead of sleeping in. And I thought I'd just show you these smiles. And I think I might have showed you before. And they're nothing fancy, nothing. But it is artwork. And they are beautiful. And they are wonderful gifts. Another little thing you can make for Christmas presents it's not too late. You know, we got a week and a half till Christmas or so. 2 weeks almost. You know, pick up a used scroll saw, get some just small pieces of wood, and make some gifts this Christmas. So this is the pattern I make. Y'all know that I make my patterns out of tempered hardboard for a lot of things. Things I make a lot of, things that are pretty simple patterns, then I can just trace it onto wood. Now, if it's a complicated pattern, you know, use paper patterns and put them on. I just don't like doing all that, the glue and the tape and all that stuff, and then taking it out and taking it off and all that stuff. So I make templates, and you can see I got a million templates I've made over the years, and I just trace them on wood and then cut them out. And I do that for these. So this is the smile I make. It's just kind of cute. And I made up this pattern, y'all. Yes, there's millions of patterns out there, and buy them or download them and get them, but you make up your own too. I think I did this, at least maybe 10 years ago now when I made this pattern. And it's just simple. I just thought, I was thinking of the little emoji smile, you know, that's been around for years. I don't know where that came from or who first invented it. And, you know, have a nice day, you know, the t-shirts, the t-shirts and the bumper stickers and stuff, and then they started doing emojis. That smile, you know, it was started years ago. I didn't create that, but I started thinking about it. I thought, I want to make a new word art. And I thought, how about smile? So I thought about that smile, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to spell it. So you can just draw it, y'all, or use your computer. Think of a word that you want to make, a new pattern you want to do. Just type it on the computer. You can change the size, you can change the font, the spacing, all of that. Then print it off. Then you have a pattern. You can just always print it off and use paper patterns, or you can make that one paper pattern and make a template like I do. But that's what I did. And I spelled out the word smile, the font that looked kind of neat. And then I just attached a circle to it. That's all I did. I mean, that's all this is the word smile with a circle attached to it. And I got a pattern. Okay. What's really neat about this is I make every single one different. Okay. scrollsawn, it's handcrafted woodworking. This isn't done automatically by some computer or whatever. I cut them all by hand. You've seen that. And each one is different and unique. And actually, my patterns, my templates, I just use them as a guide, and I go off the line a lot of times just to make them unique and different. And that's what I did on this one. If you notice at the end, I made the S a little different. Look at the S. I made the S a little different. Boy, lighting's different when I do that. Sorry. Anyway, everyone's a little bit unique. And actually, what I do is I cut the face different on every single one. Okay? So there's this one here, kind of your regular smile, right? But then I got this goofy one too. What's he doing? I think he's laughing. So it depends on my mood, you know. I'll do different smiles depending on my mood. This is the one I just made now. So those two are made out of poplar. Actually, the one is made out of poplar. One's made out of maple. This is made out of aspen. And I tried to make them winking. Kind of, sort of. Is he winking? I don't know. I don't know. But I tried. So every single smile that I make is a different face. He might be just a regular smile or laughing or trying to wink or goofy ones. I've made some that are going, or just kind of fun ones. And that's what's neat. So every time the word smile is always the same or pretty much, but this is always different. Depends on my mood, and I make all different ones. I made a bunch of them for our church, and they're sitting on tables at church, different places. I make them for gifts, and I thought, you know what, I want to make some more. And just for some gifts this Christmas, they're just kind of neat. And so yeah, again, I have the template, and this is all I do. Just trace it on wood. You don't have to trace the face part because that's going to be different every time. You can if you want, but I like to make it different every time. And there's only, there's a one inside cut in the E, so you got to drill a hole for that inside cut. And then whatever your face is going to be, you'll have 3 inside cuts. And I don't know. I just think they're fun. They help me smile. When I'm making them, I smile because I'm cutting out the word smile, and then I'm looking at the smile, when I'm cutting it. It just kind of makes me smile. You know what, y'all? Life is hard, but God is so good. And laughter is good medicine. Take time to smile. Take time to laugh. Watch my videos. How can you not laugh by watching this goof, this putz, this nerd, this weird guy in a shop? You know, watch my videos so it'll help. I pray that it would help you smile and help you laugh. You can do that. I feel free to laugh at me because I laugh at me all the time. But yeah, life is hard. But I think it's important for us to take time to smile, to take time to laugh. Enjoy life. Enjoy the things you enjoy. Enjoy the people you enjoy, people in your life. And time alone, time with God, time outside, going for a hike and enjoying the outdoors all year long. You know, woodworking or your craft or whatever. Your job. Enjoy your job. Enjoy life. Whatever you're doing, I just pray, I just encourage you, implore you to live life fully. That's what I always say. Okay? And here's the thing. Again, maybe you need a hobby. Maybe you need something different to do. Try something new this Christmas, you know, to make some wonderful little gifts for people. And going into the new year, maybe it's a new thing you can try. So again, I have playlists of all my woodworking videos and my scroll sign and carving, all the different things. You can watch them at length. You can binge watch me if you want. I have 450 videos if you want to watch them all. And I'm always making new ones. And, but if you want to just watch scroll sign, I have videos. I'm talking about the scroll saw, what it does, tips and techniques, just things I've learned that I like to pass along. There's other great people out there that do scroll sign videos. Watch them and learn from them. And but I just like to share, and I like to make unique things and different things, and I'll make things that other people are making, but I like to make my own things too, and make my own patterns and make older things. That's what I've been doing this Christmas season, using older patterns and stuff. And I got a few more I'm going to do before Christmas too. So stay tuned for those videos. But yeah, you know, if you want, you watch my videos and you can just get a taste of what scroll sign is like and just some different things about it and how fun it is. And yeah, so yeah, I just encourage you to maybe start a new hobby, woodworking, scroll sign, and make up your own ideas and be an artist, you know, whatever your craft is for that matter. Maybe it's not woodworking, maybe it's metalwork, maybe it's pottery or painting or drawing or writing or leather work, or there's all different kinds of crafty, artsy kind of things. And yeah, let the creative juices out and be the artist inside of you that God created you to be. Be who God created you to be in general, whatever that is, and whoever that is, and whatever He has for you to do in life. And yeah, give it a try. Give scroll sign a try. Make a smile. Take time to smile and laugh and help others to do the same. Yeah. Just kind of a fun little thing. I'm going to make some more of these, and yeah, for little gifts this Christmas. Just a nice little piece of word art that could sit on the shelf, sit in the house, and a reminder to take time to smile. So, yeah. Anyway, just pray you're all doing well. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one. Merry Christmas!